gather all the proper organs. We ask for obese and we ask for okay, Philippines first, I call this meeting for a very important purpose, and that is to impart the learnings of our ICHL training course. One of the learnings that I'm going to give to you is the school head responsibility, and that responsibility have 4 domains. Okay, first is the school management, second, instructional supervision, and then third, school's communication, then the last one is school community relations. For you to comprehend those adapt four domains, so let us read what is written in its domain. First, school management. Will you please read it, sir, for me?
Okay, in school management, this task includes ordering of supplies, hiring and assignment of teachers, gathering of information, and basic record keeping.
So, under that school management, very clear that that task includes ordering of supplies, no? Hiring and assigning the teachers, gather information, and basic record keeping. That is the school management. Now, let's go to the next. Instructional supervision. Please read it, Magdalena.
Instructional supervision, this includes all functions directly related to providing teaching and learning within schools. In other words, this involves activities that help attain educational goals.
Yes, so that's instructional supervision. Then po papasok yung supervision, no? School head supervision, we use clinical supervision, announce and unannounce. Next, go to the third one, the school communication. Please read it, Lisa.
School communication, this includes coordination with DepEd officials and community stakeholders.
Yes, in school communication that includes coordination with the officials and community stakeholders. Meaning, from the school, we're going to coordinate with the officials and with the community stakeholders as well. Next, the school community relations. Can you read it, Sally?
The school community relations, this involves working in community, councils, joining community development, associations, and involvement in PTA or PTCA and local organizations.
Yes, it's very clear that in school community relations, we should work together with the community. Involvement in PTA, PTCA, local organization. Now that the 4 domains were presented already, I think it is clear to all of you. This time, we will talk about the problems encountered in 4 domains and the possible solution. Now, who can give problem encountered under school management? Number 1, school management.
Sir,
Yes, Ma'am Sally?
number 1 problem is lack of financial resources, sir.
Yes, that's it. How about the other? Namruda?
Lack of computerized units.
Yes. Even though we have computer already, but still lack. No? Another computer units. Another one.
Sir,
Daily?
classroom repair.
Yes. Even though that our classroom here is quite good, but still needs repair. Another? Okay, check.
Most parts of equipment from above the
true. We have no sports equipment for the ball games. We have only
Athletics
yes,
equipment.
according to certain men, you have athletics equipment. So we have how many problems encountered under school management? We have
Five.
5. Okay, so how about the possible solution for that problem?
Sir, for lack of financial resources, I think, sir, it is good to involve the school governing council in managing the school and top barangay officials and also the alumni.
Okay, that's it. Very good. How about for the no sports equipment for the ball games? Anyone? Miss Magna?
Possible solutions for sports, the sports for the home games. Allocate funds from MOE,
Yes, we're doing that.
conduct fundraising activities,
Yes.
and solicit for private individuals and barangay officials.
Okay, good. How about for lack of computer units?
Sir, I think we have to submit resolution to LGUs requesting computer units.
Yes, that's it. Good idea. Another one, how about unorganized school records? Our school records here is not organized yet.
Not so
Not so organized. I mean,
We need to organize.
It is not teachers. So organize
So how
school
will you do?
records with the help of teachers.
yes, Ma'am Jenny?
So organize school records with the help of the teachers.
Okay, very good. So, aasahan po yan na ito yung tutulungan. How about for classroom repair? Possible solution for that?
We have to allocate funds for repair from SBRMS or from MOOA, sir.
Yes.
Then another, we have to request the revision facilities coordinator for the needed repairs, sir.
Yes, before the classroom repair is under SBRMS, but now in the MOE, included in our MOE, then request the division facilities coordinator to what do you call this? To have an ocular inspection before the approve, no? Okay, so much for that. Let's go to the problems encountered for the instructional supervision. Anyone?
Number one problem here for instructional supervision, sir, is the shortage of textbooks.
Okay, it is true. No? We have supply of textbook, but still lacking. No? That is shortage. No? The next problem. Ma'am Rhoda?
Reading skills of some children.
Yes. Reading skills of some children. Another problem. Can you give? Yes, Ma'am Chichen?
Another problem is that we encounter is teachers computer literacy.
Okay. Teachers computer literacy.
Not all teachers.
Yes, even though we
Illiterate.
know already, but there are others, no? Then we will go to the possible solution for that. How about shortage of textbooks?
For shortage of textbooks, sir, I used to plead for books from the private schools and any other organizations. And another is solicitation.
Okay, that will really help.
Yes.
How about for reading skills of some children? But we're going to go for that.
Remedial classes.
Yes, Ma'am Rhoda?
Remedial classes.
Okay, very good. Middle classes. Another.
Peer coaching.
Okay, pair coaching. What do you mean by pair coaching?
The teacher.
Yes, those children who are shall we call reader or intelligent, then can talk to their classmates. Next to that is possible solution for reading skills of some children. We have mentioned two, middle classes, pre-coaching, another. Sergio?
We will implement reading program, pull out classes.
Yes.
Meaning we will pull out the non-reader.
For those children who are not less.
Do we have also follow teachers?
Yes.
In this case, this is belong to the remedial classes na. We will pull out those four readers. Then we will have to pull out that into their different classroom. Then we will have our remedial classes.
Because we have a reading specialist here. Isn't it?
And we also ask the aid of our reading specialist for this non-reader.
But as teachers, we will help the reading specialist. We will not rely only on the assigned teacher or reading specialist.
Aid ng aid.
Next, we will go to the teacher's computer literacy. Possible solutions for that problem. Sir Permin?
I think to conduct school-based training in ICT, then you have peer coaching or mentoring, and another one is hands-on activities. It really helps.
Yes. Good. So by conducting school-based training in ICT, I think this problem can be solved. Okay, let's move on to the third domain, no? This is school communication. The problems that we are encountered for that. Can you state one? Anybody?
Sir, there is information dissemination on the conduct of meeting.
Yes,
This is one problem.
that's one problem. Another problem.
Only practice communication protocol.
Okay, communication protocol. How about other?
This problem is
Yes, Sir John.
It is the regular attendance of parents during PTA sir, and home road meetings.
Okay, is that true?
yes, sir.
Sir, the lack of time sir, during our meeting.
Okay.
Regular attendance.
And then, how about the possible solution for that? For the delayed information dissemination, we can have a meeting.
For the delayed information, sir, we have to the possible solutions must be remind the secretary to send letter ahead of time.
Okay, that's it. No? Planning talaga. We will remind the secretary to send it ahead of time.
Inform.
Okay. How about for communication protocol?
Orientation of parents of bladder protocol, sir.
Okay, so we should
Orient the parents of bladder protocol.
okay. Really help. Another is how about in regular attendance of parents during the assembly and annual meeting?
We can encourage parents to attend meetings. We can also recognize parents to attend meetings. Maybe give them rewards.
Okay, yes, that's it. Is that no? Maybe we can give them rewards or what kind of rewards? Maybe we can give them a plaque of appreciation or a certificate of appreciation during termination, during closing program, and give them, we have medals. Okay, that's for reward. Okay, so we will move on. Let's go to the last domain, the school community relations. Problems that we are encountered for that.
We encountered lack of participation of parents during school activities, sir.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Next, another.
Limited time spent on school community relations due to conflict of schedules.
Okay, limited time spent. Not due to conflict of schedules. Kailangan yan, dapat alaman natin yung tamang schedule para hindi maging cancel. Another problem for the school community relations,
Minimal
mga
attendance during PTA
minimal. There are parents who will attend, not all, no? Only few. Then we will give possible solution for that. How about for lack of participating parents during school activities?
We should motivate parents, sir, to participate in school activities by giving rewards as what says.
Okay, thank you, Sir Permin. How about the limited time spent in school communication, community relation? I mean, due to conflict with schedule. What possible solution?
Tell them, sir, to send representative to attend the activities on behalf of the school board.
Okay, for example, the school lead is absent or there's something to do, so please, automatic, no? You will send a representative to attend the activities. How about in minimal attendance during the assembly and home meetings?
We have to encourage motivate parents to attend meetings regularly.
Okay, we will encourage our motivated parents to attend meetings regularly. So I think that is the problems that encountered for that 4 domains, and also we have the possible solutions. I think that's all for that assignment number 1. Thank you for your
Second, I ask
report. Yes, Sir John?
And domain of school head responsibility, instructional supervision. How can we conduct this? How can we conduct this home reading report, sir?
Home reading report, okay. We can make it on our own, then we can send that to our children when we were when they will go home, so that in their home